Somebody made 18,000 US dollars. Yes, you heard me right. A staggering 18,000 US dollars. While many are busy looking for free airdrops here and there on Telegram, somebody made this money. And do you know the mind-blowing aspect of this trade? Well, the amount of money they spent to make this $18,000. Do you want to take a guess? Well, let me tell you. They spent just $1.74, okay, approximately $2 US to make 18,000 US dollars. What did they do? They simply aped in here, okay. This is a meme coin they bought somewhere around this region and started taking profit as the coin started mooning, and they made this amount of profit. You can see PNL, 18,000 US dollars. Ladies and gentlemen, was this luck, or did they know something that you probably do not know? It could be luck, but they definitely know something that positioned them to be able to have this kind of luck. Remember, luck becomes frequent when the right knowledge and skills are present. Well, let me show you one way you could position yourself to be this lucky in the crypto space. First, go to desktools.io. okay, once you're on this website, look for a coin, a meme coin that just made a lot of X's, okay, maybe 20x, 30x, 40x, a coin that recently made a lot of people a lot of money. Okay, so once you figured out such a coin, for example, this one right here started around this region, rallied to this peak, and believe me, a lot of people cashed out big. Okay, imagine you bought around this region and sold towards this peak. Okay, and this is obviously the all-time high for this token right here before it started retracing. Okay, once you see a coin like this, what you're gonna do is scroll up, okay, come to this region where we've got this right here, click on the symbol and copy it. Okay, what we're doing is we're copying the smart contract of this token. Okay, this is the Brett meme coin. Okay, it recently rallied to the upside and a lot of people made money from this token. Okay, so what you're going to do is go to Telegram, search this cool analyzer bot, okay, this one right here, and then once you have it searched, click on it. It is going to show you this. So what does this do? What this bot does is that it shows you a lot of Telegram channels that code certain meme coins and what time they code the meme coins, how many X's the meme coin did. Okay, imagine you are a member of a Telegram channel or a Telegram group that code the cat dog token I showed you earlier on, or probably this one right here, the Brett token. Okay, they code it probably when the price was around this region. They dropped the smart contract and you copied it and bought it around this region. Imagine how much you could have probably made when the token reached all-time high at this region right here. Okay, so what this bot does is it helps you find those Telegram channels. What you're going to do is to study those Telegram channels and find out the ones with good calls, okay, with high win rates, okay, with their calls. Join such groups, and whenever they make a call, copy the smart contract of whatever token and buy the token. Okay, now I need to make a quick disclaimer. This could make you a lot of money in a split second, okay, but you could also lose all your money before you know what is happening. Okay, so if you're going to be trying this as a newbie or as an OG in the game, okay, the rule is always invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, now the token, you copy the smart contract, paste it here. Okay, so once you have it pasted, click on this right here, and that's going to display a lot of information, so we can see all the details displayed here. So now let's start. Okay, so let's use this one as an example. You can see all the Telegram channels or Telegram groups that code this token in question, the Brett token. For example, this group or channel here coded at this time here, 1:30 on this date here, and the market cap of this token, the Brett token, was at $6 million US. Okay, when they made the call, they posted a smart contract or talked about it in their group. Okay, if you had aped in, ladies and gentlemen, let's say you were on this group, if you had 18, you would have made 318x whatever you invested. Imagine you invested $10, it would have been 3,180 US dollars. Okay, that's what you would have made. Whatever money you put in, you multiply by this. Okay, and you can study the cool stats of this group, okay, or channel. By simply clicking on this, you can see the other ones right here. So your job is to pay close attention to all the channels here and find the one that has the most accurate calls. Okay, of course, nobody is expected to have 100% win rate all the times. Okay, but definitely you should see some channels that have a very high accuracy in their calls. Okay, so let me for example study this one right here, sugar calls, to see the accuracy of their calls. Clicking on that stats there, it brings me to this. You can see their top calls. Okay, Popcat, they called this one, okay, and it did 2,970x. My friends, you can see how profitable this could be. Imagine you were part of this group and you invested $100. When they made this call, it would have been over $200,000 in your pocket. You see how interesting this could be if you understand the tricks I'm showing you in this video. They made another one, okay, this one right here, Solana. They called it, when the market cap was this, it did over $2,000. What you could simply do is to join their group or channel. Okay, so to join their group, all you need to do is to click on this right here, the sugar cools, and that brings you to the group. You can click on the button down here to join the group, ladies and gentlemen. After that, you would be a member of this group, and whenever they make a call, you would get notifications and you could trade with them. Now the question is, when they make a call, how do I buy? Well, this is where you need to understand what sniping is. Okay, I've made videos about how to snipe meme coins. It is pretty simple. All you need to do is to understand the token, the contract address of the token. Once you have the contract address of the token, you could go to a sniper bot, okay, and use a sniper bot to ape into the project. If you want me to show you how you can use a sniper bot to ape into a project, okay, once you get the contract of that project and the sniper bot I use, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to do a part 2 to this video. Make sure you're subscribed. This video is packed with value and quality information. You wouldn't want to miss my next video. This is your guy Ken. I have other videos like the one you just watched on this channel. For example, this one right here also shows you another trick you could use to make money trading meme coins. Okay, if you want to see or learn more about this type of tricks, check the linked videos in the description. I'm going to link a number of them in there. And of course, don't forget, I've got a Telegram group. Don't forget to join.